How's it going? What you working on?
Seat.
Headlight.
Why don't you show her the,
I like your sissy bar.
He's not a sissy.
Sissy bars off for sissies.
Is that a front fender? Oh, that's the seat pan.
It's the seat pan.
Oh, it's coming along pretty well. Very sweet. Jackson, if you want your staple gun, it's in the back of my Jeep.
We have to rivet it. It's going in the metal.
Oh. Oh.
Repurpose material from a workout bench, an exercise bench, and upholster that seat.
That actually came from Mary Ellen and
Thank you, Mary Ellen.
and Rye. Nice texture too, huh? Sweet.
Too bad it went to mold.
That's alright, just spray it down with some peroxide.
We
We
sprayed
used,
it with Windex.
Gets rid of the bacteria, apparently.
Killed it with some alcohol.
Yeah, we got it all.
Alright, going back to work. Alright, Rob, you're in charge of videos from now on. I gotta go work.